ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. The ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover is a game changer for pet owners who are tired of dealing with sticky tape and disposable rollers. This reusable lint roller is designed to pick up pet hair from furniture, carpets, clothing, and bedding with unmatched efficiency. Unlike traditional sticky rollers, the ChomChom uses no adhesives, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Simply roll it back and forth on any surface to trap fur into its built-in receptacle. When you're done, press the release button to empty the collected hair effortlessly. Why it's great? No sticky tape required. Say goodbye to wasteful sticky sheets. Versatile use? Works on couches, rugs, car seats, and more. Sustainable design? Reusable and durable, reducing environmental impact. Easy maintenance. Self-cleaning mechanism ensures hassle-free use. SEO keywords? ChomChom Pet Hair Remover, reusable lint roller, eco-friendly pet hair removal tool, best pet hair roller for furniture. Review. The ChomChom Roller is hands down the best investment I've made as a pet owner. It's incredibly effective at picking up even the tiniest strands of hair, and I love that it's reusable. No more wasting money on refills. 2. BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Remover. The BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Remover is a powerhouse tool for tackling stubborn pet hair. Featuring a translucent window, this roller lets you know exactly when it's time to empty the dustbin. Its sturdy design includes a comfortable rubber grip for extended use, while the reusable base eliminates the need for sticky tape. With just a press of a button, the dustbin opens easily, allowing you to dispose of collected hair without any mess. Why it's great? Translucent window. Conveniently monitor how full the dustbin is. Comfortable grip. Ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during use. Durable build. Built to last, ensuring long-term reliability. Effortless emptying. Simple latch system makes cleaning quick and easy. SEO keywords? BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Remover, reusable pet hair roller, ergonomic lint roller, durable pet hair removal tool. Review. I can't believe I lived without the BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Remover for so long. It's powerful, easy to clean, and feels solid in my hands. Perfect for keeping my house fur-free. Lint Rollers Pet Hair Value Pack. If you prefer traditional sticky rollers, the Lint Rollers Pet Hair Value Pack by Trazen is the ultimate choice. This set includes 2 rollers and 3 extra refills, totaling 450 sheets, enough to last for months. Each roller features a reinforced plastic handle for durability, and the spiraled sheet design ensures smooth tearing without waste. The adhesive properties are strong enough to lift stubborn pet hair, dust, and fuzz from any surface. Why it's great? Cost-effective. Comes with plenty of sheets for extended use. Sturdy handles. Reinforced handles prevent cracking or breaking. Strong adhesive. Picks up even the most stubborn pet hair. Convenient storage. Keep one in your car and another at home for easy access. SEO keywords? Lint rollers for pet hair, sticky pet hair remover, value pack lint rollers, durable pet hair removal tool. Review. This lint roller set is amazing. The handles are super sturdy, and the adhesive works like magic. Having 450 sheets means I won't run out anytime soon. DELOMO Pet Hair Remover. The DELOMO Pet Hair Remover is a revolutionary tool that combines functionality with sustainability. This reusable roller features a self-cleaning base and a detachable dustbin for easy disposal of collected hair. Made from durable nylon and ABS plastic, it's built to withstand daily use. Ideal for surfaces like cotton, linen, and wool, this roller leaves your furniture spotless after just a few passes. Why it's great? Self-cleaning base. No need to touch pet hair directly. Multi-surface compatibility. Works on sofas, beds, carpets, and more. Durable materials. High-quality construction ensures longevity. Eco-friendly. Eliminates the need for disposable refills. SEO keywords? DELOMO Pet Hair Remover, reusable pet fur roller, multi-surface pet hair removal tool, eco-friendly pet hair cleaner. Review. The DELOMO Pet Hair Remover exceeded my expectations. It's easy to use, highly effective, and environmentally friendly. I'll never go back to sticky rollers again. Why choose these products? Each of these pet hair removers offers something unique, catering to different preferences and needs. If you prioritize sustainability and reusability, the ChomChom Roller and DELOMO Pet Hair Remover are excellent choices. For those who prefer traditional sticky rollers but want better quality and value, the Trays and Lint Rollers Value Pack delivers outstanding results. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Remover strikes a perfect balance between innovation and practicality, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. No matter which product you choose, you're guaranteed a cleaner, fur-free home. Invest in one of these tools today and make pet hair a thing of the past. Living with pets doesn't mean living with pet hair everywhere. Thanks to innovative products like the ChomChom Roller BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Remover Trays and Lint Rollers Value Pack and DELOMO Pet Hair Remover, maintaining a clean and tidy home has never been easier. Each of these tools earns a well-deserved 5-star rating for their exceptional performance, durability, and user-friendly designs. Struggling with pet hair all over your furniture, clothes, and car? In this 6-minute video, we compare the top 5 pet hair removers to help you find the best solution for a fur-free home. Whether you're a dog or cat owner, these lint rollers and fur removers will save you time and frustration.